catching feelings, baby.
That's why I'm breathing.
Yeah, but he didn't come up. Let's see if we can find one that's just going to make a hole. Or just crawl.
There's a hole. Is that a hole? No. It's so weird how they make that. Wait, he just made one right here.
Yeah?
The water is so warm. Oh, he just made one. He just made one.
Yeah?
He's
Oh,
breathing.
there he is. See that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know, I see it.
Maybe he'll come up.
Oh, there's another one. What are these crabs called? Like water crab?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Wait. I know some of those crabs that me and Amber and Kayla used to dig and like have to go back in the water.
I don't know.
Wait, look, there's a lot of them over here.
Yeah?
Look. Look. So what did they do? Oh, did you just see that? So what did they do when they dry out? They just go back.
See that big hole there? Maybe he'll come in.
This
Don't
one?
get close.
There's a seagull. That's so cool. So how did they do that? I didn't know what kind of crab that is. This is like so relaxing. I can sit here all day.
Now I'm catching feelings, baby.